the information processing paradigm sees the mind as a computer. However, there are several really important distinctions between humans and computers. One being a computer, for example, doesn't have to worry about attention span, tiredness, or emotions. And actually, participants in experiments may behave very differently than the computer does. Contribution. You're always asked about the contribution that psychology makes. It has contributed to our understanding of mental processes greatly and other psychological phenomena. It's been used to help develop treatments such as cognitive behavioral therapy, which have been extremely effective at dealing with a variety of different psychological illnesses, such as depression. It recognizes and reestablishes the role of free will in behavior, which, remember, the behaviorist approach ignores. It says that if X happens in the environment, Y will happen as a consequence. And it uses scientific methods to collect data, carries out laboratory studies under control conditions, manipulates an IV and measures the DV, and so forth. Some key researchers, if you want to know more, and their fields. My particular favourite is Daniel Kahneman's Behavioural Economics, but we will look at that briefly in the course. Tasks. Complete the following tasks and bring them with you next lesson. Question 1. Which of the following is not true in relation to the cognitive approach? Select your number and your reasons why. Write it down now. Question 2. A cognitive psychologist conducted conducted an experiment to investigate how memory works. He gave participants a list of words to recall in 12 conditions. Condition 1, participants were presented with words and pictures. Condition 2, just words. Here are the results. Calculate for me, for each group, the mean, the mode, and the median. So you get 1 mark per group, 6 marks in total. Calculate the mean for group 1 score, the mean for group 2 score, mode, and median. Question 3. Plot the mean for both conditions you calculated in the previous question on a suitable graph. Means often use bar graphs, hint hint. Correct graph selected, you get a mark for. Graph plotted accurately, correct scale, title, and labelled axes. Title needs to be precise, containing both the IV and the DV. There are often 6 marks available for this, so you want to get it right. Question 3. So these two are question 2 part 1, question 2 part 2. Here is question 3. I've given you an example of a PEE, and then what you need to do is create one of your own that is critical. So, that is a strength. So one weakness is laboratory studies, this is because, and here's why it matters. I want you to copy the structure, but give me a strength. "50 to 80 words, please." And finally, careers in cognitive psychology. Number of UK universities offer cognitive neuroscience. Here are the main ones. It's more common to study actually as an MA or PhD. Cognitive science is a rare gem. Edinburgh and Sussex offer it. It's the best course. The university I went to no longer provides it. It's too exclusive, if anything. All degrees have a heavy emphasis on core sciences, and you benefit from computer experience. Thank you very much for your time. Hope you have learnt something today, and I'll see you in class.